Since I work in nutrition, I get a lot of questions like, how can I enjoy my food but still eat healthy? Or how can I lose weight but not have to miss out on my favorite foods? Or I like cookies too much to, be on this diet. And so what I do with my clients is help them really personalize a plan that works for them. You can absolutely create a healthy lifestyle and still enjoy your favorite foods. One of the ways we can do that is with food swaps. So if there's a particular ingredient that is maybe causing weight gain, think sugar, then we can swap that out and still really enjoy some of those sweet treats. It just means we're going to have to make a couple changes into our baking or into our routine. So today I have a blog for you all about those healthier swaps, things that you maybe commonly see in recipes that make you think that you completely can't have that food. Instead, we can do a little bit of a swap, tweak it a little bit, and make it that bit healthier, where we're actually getting more nutrients into the meal. We're removing some of the bad ingredients, and you still get to enjoy some of your favorite treats. So today in the blog, I'm going to share with you some of these easy swaps. They're really simple things that you could do in even your favorite recipes. So give it a try. Let me know what you think. If you're going to try one of these out, or if you have tried it out, or if you have a favorite swap, let us know. This blog is all about swapping for healthier choices. So I can't wait to hear from you.